Good news for pizza lovers. Here's the recipe. Ingredients for making the dough. Flour 4 cups, warm water 2 cups, cooking oil 2 tablespoons, sugar 1 tablespoon, salt half tablespoon, and instant yeast 1/4 teaspoon. Put the flour into a large bowl and then stir in the yeast and the salt. Make a well in the flour and pour in 2 cups warm water and the oil. Bring together until you have a soft, fairly wet dough. Turn onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 10 minutes until smooth. Cover with a tea towel and set aside in a warm place for about 45 minutes or until double in size. Fingers inserted will leave marks in a well-risen dough. Using your fist, punch down the center of the dough. Knead for about 20 to 30 seconds or until smooth. Make 2 rounds of the prepared dough. Roll out to form 2 round pizza bases. Ingredients for pizza topping. Mozzarella cheese 400 grams, tomato ketchup half cup, pizza pasta sauce, Cajun and piri-piri, Italian herb. Boneless chicken 1 pound, mushroom slices, onion cut in wedges, pineapple chunks, and cubes of green pepper. Cut the chicken into small pieces. In a lightly oiled pan, fry the chicken pieces. Add in the Cajun, piri-piri, and salt to taste. Boneless chicken is now ready for the topping. Spread pasta sauce and ketchup evenly on the base. Cheese can either be sprinkled under the toppings or over them. The choice is all yours. Your pizza is now ready to go into the oven. Preheat the oven at 375 degrees and bake for approximately 20 minutes. The pizza is now ready to be served.